to relax here by the pool. Ah. Did you know that when you go on adventures over the summer that it's sometimes beneficial for you to know your division facts? Let's go over some of my favorite examples.
Before we begin, let's review how to divide. When you divide, you always start with the largest number. In this example, the largest number is 12. I collected 12 shells on the beach. 12 goes in the beginning of this equation. I made 3 groups. That's why I have 3 beach towels. Finally, I'm going to share the shells with each beach towel, making sure that each beach towel has the same amount of shells. In this case, each blanket has 4 shells. Therefore, 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Now you're ready to solve your own word problems. Let's begin by reading the first story. I collected 28 shells on the beach. I want to share them equally with 7 of my friends. How many shells will each person get? Pause the video and write down your answer. Here are my 7 friends that I want to share my shells with. Once you give each friend a shell, you'll notice that each person gets 4 shells. We can also show this as a division problem. 28 divided by 7 equals 4 shells. Good job! After we collect shells, it's time for lunch. A guest brought 15 slices of watermelon to our picnic. If 5 people wanted some, how many slices of watermelon would each person get? Pause the video and write down your answer. If you need a strategy, try sharing. Put 1 slice of watermelon on each plate. Make sure they all have the same number of slices. If you said that the answer was 3, then you are correct. All you have to do is look at each plate. Each plate has 3 slices of watermelon on them. 15 divided by 5 equals 3. Let's catch some fish for dinner. I caught 12 fish. If I wanted to share my fish with my family, my parents' family, and my husband's family, how many fish would each family get? But how do we solve this problem with only one number? I only see a 12. Well, we know that the other number should be a 3 because 1 bucket goes to my family, 1 bucket goes to my parents' family, and the other bucket goes to my husband's family. Now that we have both numbers, we're ready to divide. Pause the video and solve the problem. If you said that the answer was 4, then you are correct. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Wow, you are officially getting really good at division story problems. Did you know that you can check your division answer by multiplying? Look at the last 2 numbers of your division problem. Does 3 times 4 equal 12? Yes, it does. Since 3 times 4 equals 12, then our answer is correct.
Phew! It sure is hot out here. Let's go inside and get some popsicles so we can cool off.
Here's our next problem. On the way home from the beach, my parents bought 6 popsicles. The total cost was $12. If each popsicle costs the same amount, what is the cost of each popsicle? Pause the video and write down your answer. If you said that the answer was $2, then you are correct. 12 divided by 6 equals 2. Here's a strategy that I used. Since we know the total cost is $12, we know that the answer is going to be a smaller number, so we're going to divide. We're going to give each popsicle $1 until we've reached our total amount, which is $12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go to the beginning. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and $12. Since each popsicle has $2 with it, our answer makes sense. Let's do one more example from the Rapids. You can go on at either Busch Gardens or Kings Dominion. Our family of 18 wanted to ride the rapids at Kings Dominion. If each raft holds 6 people, how many rafts do we need? Pause the video and figure out your answer. If you said that the answer was 3, then you're correct. Since each raft holds 6 people, we can make sure that our answer makes sense by counting by 6 until you reach 18. 6, 12, 18. Sweet! There's enough room for everyone. 18 divided by 6 equals 3.
Thanks so much for joining me here today as we reviewed how to divide. I hope that everyone has a really cool summer. We'll see you next time, everyone. Goodbye.